Hi, welcome to CyberLabs. Today we are going to learn 30 essential CMD commands that are crucial for cybersecurity and networking. Please subscribe to the channel. First two commands are for look up your Wi-Fi password. 1. NetSH WLAN Show Profiles. Lists all wireless network SSIDs that this computer has previously connected to. 2. NetSH WLAN Show Profile Name equals MT-Link, key equals clear. Look for password of your connected Wi-Fi. 3. ipconfig/all. Displays detailed network configuration, including MAC addresses, DNS servers, and DHCP lease times. 4. netstat-ANO. Lists active connections and process IDs to spot hidden malware traffic. 5. netstat-R. Displays the local routing table to check how network traffic leaves the PC. 6. nslookup google.com. Queries DNS servers to find the IP address and mail servers of any domain. 8. ARP-A. Shows the local ARP cache, mapping network IP addresses to physical MAC addresses. 9. getmac-V. Displays detailed MAC addresses for all active network adapters on the system. 10. tracert google.com. Traces the exact path and path hops packets take to reach a remote server. 11. nbtstat-R. Purges and reloads the NetBIOS remote cache table to clear old network connections. 12. nbtstat-S. Lists active NetBIOS sessions and connections with their respective destination IPs. 13. netstat-F. Displays active network connections along with their fully qualified domain names. 14. netview. Scans the current local network to list active computers and shared devices. 15. netshare. Lists all hidden and open network shares currently hosted on your computer. 16. ipconfig/display DNS. Shows the local DNS cache, every website this computer has recently visited. 17. ipconfig/flushdns. Clears the local DNS cache to wipe out the history of visited domains. 18. WMIC startup get caption, command. Lists all programs set to run automatically at startup. Great for finding hidden malware persistence. 19. QWINSTA. Lists all active remote desktop sessions currently connected to the machine. 20. Task list/FI status equals running. Filters and displays only the active processes currently running in memory. 21. WMIC process get name, executable path. Lists the exact file path of every running process to detect spoofed malware. 22. Driver query -V. Displays all installed device drivers to check for malicious or hidden rootkits. 23. Route-print. An alternative view of the IPv4 and IPv6 routing tables and active interfaces. 24. nbtstat-N. Lists local NetBIOS names to check the machine's identity on the network. 25. netstat-C. Displays the NetBIOS name cache to see recently contacted remote computers. 26. NetSH WLAN Show Interfaces. Provides detailed specs of the current Wi-Fi connection and signal quality. 27. NetSH ADV Firewall Show All Profiles. Checks if the Windows firewall is turned on or off for all network profiles. 28. Who am I? Displays the exact current username and domain of the active session. 29. Who am I/priv. Lists user security privileges to check for high-level administrative access. 30. Netstat ADV Firewall Set All Profiles State Off. Turns off the Windows firewall entirely for all network profiles, domain, private, and public.